Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll be making a Play-doh rose. You'll be needing some Play-doh, a cap, a rolling pin, a knife, a plastic one if you have, and then the board if you need one. Start by taking your Play-doh out. Then take your rolling pin and roll the Play-doh out until it is thin, but not too thin that you can see through the Play-doh. After you're done rolling your Play-doh out, it's supposed to be thin as like this, so you can't see through it, but it's thin. Now that you did that, you take your cap and push it down like this and make circles on your Play-doh. You might need to push really hard. Now you peel this off like this. You can use your knife to make the circles too. Now you put these aside. And I'm done cutting my circles, and I'm using 10 circles today. The more circles you use, the more prettier the flower will be. Now that you have all your circles, you take a circle, and you always have to use a line, a straight line, or a ruler to measure this. You need to put it like this, and then the second one has to be a lot of top on top of the first one. And then on the other ones, you only put like a little bit on top of each other, like this. After you're done of doing that, you might want to press it a little so it sticks together. Now you start by rolling from the beginning like this. When it's like this, you might want to use your knife, and you might want a parent's help for this. Start by making lines in the middle of the flower like this. Now you cut it gently down like this. Like this. Now that you did that, you take your finger and put it like you fluff the petals out like this. This is the end of the Play-doh flower rose. What one you're making, it becomes 2 roses. And I made some more roses like this. You can make this for any decoration or decorate your room with this. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please enjoy the video. This is for today. Goodbye.